Good morning, good
Morning, sir.
morning. Yeah.
Morning, sir.
Since na-open na yan, buti na-open bago tayo mag-start. Allow me to present yung groupings ninyo. Sige, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Teka lang. Saan yung present? Ayan, si Carion, wala pa daw. Ayan, nakita niyo sa my screen ko? Ayan. So, sa section A, yan, 4 pa lang nagpapasa. Okay? Ibig sabihin, 4 na groups pa lang to. Itong section B, sad to say, 3 pa lang. Kasi marami pang hindi nakapag-submit. Okay, until 12 na lang to, ha? Bahala kayo.
Nang ulam?
Kapag hindi kayo nakapag-submit before 12, ako ang mamimili ako ang mag-group sa inyo. Okay? Kapag hindi kayo nakapag-submit, mean to say, wala kayong ka-group o hindi kayo nakabuo ng group. Okay? So, kung hindi kayo nakabuo ng group at kailangan nating bumuo ng grupo, o kung natin maghanap ng partner, ako ngayon ang magbibigay ng partner ninyo. Take note of that for 12. Okay? So, yan ay binigay kong assignment sa inyo. So, yon, section B, 3 pa lang. No? Sa dami ninyo. Mas madaming section B eh. Okay? Papasok ba kayo ng 50 base from check pa lang sa record ko. Section B. Integrative. Yeah. Section B is nasa 40 kayo. Yeah, 40. Pag-check po yung code natin na. Huwag nang baliwalain yung Google Form. Magko-close yun 12. Okay? So yeah. I-present ko nga muna yung code. Ano yung screen natin? Yan, nakikita yung code screen ko?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for our topic for today is
Di daw makakano dyan.
more on XSL,
Di daw
XSLT,
makakaluto.
XML,
Ay,
and
makakapadala.
PHP. Okay? This is the last topic under our midterm. Okay? So this is the last and final topic that we need to discuss in order for you to take the exam. Okay? Now, for the introduction, before the introduction, here are the agenda that we need to discuss. Okay? Actually, ang ipipresent ko dito is just a definition and their use. Pero after that, I'm going to demonstrate on how to use XSL, XML, XSLT, and PHP. Okay? Now, for the introduction, XSL stands for Extensible Style Sheet Language. Okay? Take note of that. Baka hindi na naman makuha yung simple acronym ng XSL. Okay? So, XSL stands for Extensible Style Sheet Language. Okay? It is a styling language used by the XML. Kung i-relate ko to sa HTML and CSS, kung si HTML is used to structure your web page, okay? Si XSL naman, si XML pala, si XML is used to transport, store and transport information. Si XML ang partner, ano ba naman to? Si HTML, ang partner nito is si Cascading Style Sheet. Okay? Kung ang taga-design ni HTML si Cascading Style Sheet, si XML naman, ang taga-design niya is si XSL. Okay? So, yun yun. Okay? So, as you can see in the meaning of XSL is extensible style sheet language. It is an style sheet language. Okay? Style sheet. Pag narinig mong style sheet, it is used to apply design to specific markup. Okay? So, yun. So, isipin yung
Kaya daw ano,
si XSL ay parang cascading style sheet
wala naman
ni
ganyan.
HTML. Okay? Si XSL ay style sheet ni XML. Nagets ako? Just let me know kung...
Sir, ano ulit yun, sir?
Okay, so again,
Okay, ulit.
XSL stands for Extensible Style Sheet Language. Okay? So, naaral natin ang HTML and Cascading Style Sheet, right? Yan, naaral natin. So, anong gamit ng Cascading Style Sheet sa ating HTML? Anong gamit ng Cascading Style Sheet sa ating HTML?
Sa design po ba, sir?
Okay, very good. The design. Now, ang katumbas ng Cascading Style Sheet ay itong XSL. Okay? Kung si HTML, ang kapartner niya ay CSS, si XML, ang kapartner niya is XSL. Okay? Kung makikita nyo, kapag nag-create tayo ng isang XML document, okay, it will just simply display the information stored on that XML. Okay? Alangan namang i-display lang ng information na ganun lang. It's just a pure text without any formattings. Now, if you need to display the text or the information stored in an XML, the way na meron siyang design, meron siyang formattings, you use XSL. Na-gets, Ritzter?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yung W3C natin started to develop yung XSL. Okay? Because, yun nga sabi ko, there was a need for an XML-based style sheet language. Okay? There was a need to apply a design in particular XML. So let's say look on an example of tawag nito, itong XML natin. Tingin tayo ng sample XML. Okay? Ako ba makita yung mga XML ko? Papakita ko sa inyo ng sample XML file. Ayan, nakikita nyo sa screen ko? Nakikita nyo?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you view or when you display or when you open a certain XML file in your browser, it will just display kung ano yung content ng XML file, just like this one. Okay? And ayaw naman nating ganyan lang yung appearance ng isang XML natin. Okay? When you use an XML in a certain application, specifically sa web application, you need the data. You need the marker, you need the one, you need the 22.00. Okay? You don't need itong nakikita natin. Okay? As part of as in system development, I need the data. Okay? Now, if you want to display the data in a browser, in your web application, okay, you use XSL. Okay? Use XSL, mamaya i-demonstrate ko, okay, papakita ko. XSL will extract the data, okay? There's a code there that will extract the data and display it in a browser. Okay? And display it in a browser na papakita doon yung data mismo nung XML. Okay? Yes, of course, na merong design, siyempre. Okay? Not just kung ano yung nakikita nyo dito sa screen. So, balik tayo dun sa PowerPoint. Yung PowerPoint natin. Ayan. So, pinakilala sa World Wide Web itong XSL. Okay? Because again, there is a need for an XML-based style sheet language. Okay? And then, mamaya, i-discuss ko on how to transform an XSL. Okay? Together with XML. Okay? Transformations occur in XSLT. Okay? So, XSLT stands for, the XSL, Extensible Style Sheet Language. Okay? And then yung T, transformations. Okay? So therefore, XSLT stands for Extensible Style Sheet Language Transformations. Okay? Now, proceed tayo sa